In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a meeting ID in Zoom quickly and easily, depending on the device you're using. Whether you're on a desktop, a browser, or a web app, I've got you covered. Let's start with desktop users, which includes both Windows and Mac OS. You'll want to begin by opening the Zoom desktop application. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download and install it beforehand from the official Zoom website. Once you've opened the app, you'll find yourself on the Home tab. Here, you're going to click on the button labeled Join. This action will bring up a new window where you need to enter the meeting ID. This ID is a unique 9 to 10 or 11-digit number that you've received from your meeting host. Make sure to double-check it to avoid any errors. After entering the meeting ID, click on Join, and be ready in case you're prompted for a meeting passcode. The host sometimes uses this extra layer of security. If a passcode is indeed required, simply enter it in the field provided. Before you actually jump into the meeting, Zoom will give you the chance to choose your audio and video settings, ensuring you're all set up just the way you prefer. After selecting the desired settings, you'll seamlessly join the meeting. Next, let's move on to those who prefer joining via a browser or the web app. This option is straightforward and doesn't require a download, making it super convenient if you're on the go or using a borrowed device. First, navigate over to join.zoom.us. Here, you will find a field to enter your meeting ID. Just like before, this ID is that special number your host provided. Input it carefully and then click on Join. Some browsers will offer the option to join from your browser, which is perfect if you'd rather not open or install the desktop app. This is an excellent way to save time or avoid unnecessary downloads. Once you've clicked on this option, if prompted, enter the meeting passcode. Additionally, there might be a section for you to set your name as you wish it to appear to other attendees. Adjust your camera and microphone settings here as well, ensuring you've got everything just right for the meeting. And there you have it. That's a quick guide on entering a Zoom meeting through both desktop apps and browsers. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your next meeting a breeze to join. Remember, having everything prepared in advance can help you focus on what really matters during the meeting itself. Thank you for joining me today.